16 outlets. This power strip features 16 built-in NEMA 5 to 15 RAC outlets attached to convenient dongles that easily accommodate large transformer plugs. Provides high-speed charging for up to 16 mobile devices simultaneously. RACKMOUNT AC CHARGER. All steel unit mounts into 1U of 2 or 4 post rack space. Mounting hardware included. 15 feet power cord with NEMA 5 to 15P plug long enough to reach a wall socket. Compatibility. Compatible with all devices that charge via standard AC outlets or user-supplied USB adapters. Perfect for Chromebooks, MacBook Airs, Ultrabooks, smartphones, iPads, Kindles, Kindle Fires and Surface tablet models. Aluminum housing with premium safety features. 15A circuit breaker protects against overloads and short circuits. Power strip outlet offers transparent cover guards lighted on, off switch from accidental shutdowns. Tested to UL 60950-1, USA, and CAN, CSA-C22.2 No. 60950-1, Canada. Top reviews from the United States. I bought 7 of these for a temporary installation involving syncing and charring approx 90 Android devices, and these worked great. They provide sufficient current and can sync across the devices. The downside, though, is that it's actually a USB hub, attached to 4 USB hubs, which have 4 USB ports, so 16 ports total, so you transverse 2 levels of USB hubs before the devices. For 1 or 2 of these it doesn't matter, but in my case I had to worry about hitting the 127 device limit per USB rail. Since the temporary installation, 2 of these have found new use with charging and syncing 20 iPads via configurator, 1 for our video team as a GoPro charging station, and 1 in my office for quick setup and deployment of iPads.